What's up, everybody? I am here to talk about the birthday gifts I bought for myself. Yes, I bought gifts for myself. Now, I told y'all already I'm susceptible to internet marketing. So pretty much everything I bought for myself is something I saw advertised somewhere. And so I'm going to start with the birth date candle. Birthday candle. I saw that on, I want to say Instagram, but I'm not sure, or it could have been an in-game advertisement because I do play a bunch of stupid games on my phone when I should be doing other stuff. Oh, I smell it already as I open the box. It smells good, very earthy. I smell that eucalyptus has hit me in the face. It's a birthday candle, a blend for those born on May 14th. Can you see up close there? Is it filtering? I mean, is it? I don't know if you can read that clearly, but so day of the bowling balls, I guess, because I come through and wreck life. And so my sign is Taurus. My ruling number is 5. That is true. My birthday, the month of May, 5/5/14. So 1 + 4 is 5 also. 5 + 14 is 10. So that comes down to 1. If you're into numerology, I'm not particularly. I'm ruled by Venus. And my strengths, lucky. I always say that I'm lucky, and this candle says so too. Renovating, self-reliant, and weaknesses, inward. That is true. Stubborn. I don't necessarily think that's a bad thing, but I am stubborn. And aloof. That's true sometimes too. And the scents in this candle are cedar, sandalwood, and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus was hitting me in the face when I opened the box. So, that's cute. So it also has all kinds of stuff on the back about children born on May 14th, their temperance, stuff about Venus, stuff about the ruling number of 5. And I'm not going to read all that to you, but this is cute. I think this is a really cute gift for someone too. This is on my list to get other people. Next up, I bought some aperitifs from House. I subscribe to Kenny JD's channel. She does these things called Bad Movies and the Beat, where she talks about bad movies and puts on her makeup. I'm not a makeup fan. I mean, here I am naked faced, like literally not wearing anything, except some lip plumping lip gloss. And because of it has the plumping agency, it makes my lips really pink, which I like. It doesn't have a color to it, but all the blood rushing to my lips makes the natural pink in my lips look really cute, I think. So anyway, she did a promo with this company, and I ordered their sample package. I actually had to order 2 because Clever Little House Wine, they have 7 flavors, but you only get 4 in a sample pack. So I had to order 2 sample packs. So I picked one thing twice. How do I get this box open? I already opened the first box, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm opening this one on camera for you all. Nice to meet you. And it comes with like a little magazine that gives you some ideas for cocktails and for entertaining, and info about the flavors. So they're the little sample bottles in there. Now, I tried the Spice Cherry on my own, and then this lemon lavender, I gave this one to my friend Melissa, who's in town, which you're going to see later on because I have some vlog footage coming up after this. And then I had another one that was ginger uzu or ginger something, I don't know. I gave that to my mail lady because she's so awesome. I love her. She brings treats for my dog. My dog's sitting here. Can you see him? Look up. My dog's right here next to me. So anyway, I wanted to give her something, and she said ginger was one of her favorite flavors, so I gave her the ginger. But the Spice Cherry was really good, and these things pack a little punch to them. This one, I'm holding the lemon lavender in my hand, and it is 18% alcohol. The Spice Cherry that I had before, the Spice Cherry was 20%. So this little bottle here will get you right. This one is citrus flower. This is 18% as well. I think I might try this one tonight. I'm gonna pop these bad boys in the refrigerator and have a little aperitif with my dinner. Now, I also want to just give you a full warning. I colored my hair for my birthday. I bought these little hair paint things that you just kind of put on top of your hair to change your hair color. I didn't have time to actually film a first impression video because I was running late and I wanted to do it for my little birthday night out on the town. But I really liked it. So you're going to see that color in the rest of my footage. And I'm going to show you now this big behemoth floor mirror that I bought. And I have this massive box that I don't know what to do with. Like, this box is so big. The box is so big they couldn't even stand it upright when they brought it in the house today. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of it because the one person that I would normally call, here's the thing. I know he's going to fuss when I ask him to come get this box and say, well, you never call me. You always come when you want something. I don't know. Anyway, let me get up and show you this big behemoth mirror, and then the rest of this footage is vlog footage for my birthday. I also have to tell you, I am so hurt. I did this long video that took me the span of a few months to film because it was vlog footage, it was store footage, it was unboxing footage, and it was impressions footage from my skincare and my health and wellness routine. Like, I've been pretty good about my supplements, about taking care of my skin. If you can't see how nice I'm looking, how good I'm glowing, like, I mean, my skin has never looked this good. I haven't felt this good in a long time. My hair is shiny and popping. Like, everything is good. I messed around and deleted that video, and I had already deleted it from my cloud and everything. YouTube struck me for music because, again, I just can't seem to get this whole licensing issue together. So I deleted it. I was like, let me just pull this music out. I put it back up, only to realize after I deleted it from YouTube that I had already deleted it from my cloud. So it's gone. Like, I can't recreate it. I can't recreate my first impressions. I can go back to the store and film again, but the store is all the way in North Lauderdale. I never go to that area. I made a special trip up there. I don't know. I'm just, I'm hurt. I'm hurt that that video is gone. I put so much work into it. I think Kirsten's Way to Stay Fit, or Kirsten's Life, she changed her channel name, but she's the only one who actually saw it and commented on it. So appreciate you, girl. Thank you for watching that video, but it's in the ether now. It's gone. So anyway, let me show you this mirror, and then, the rest of the vlog footage is me taking a day off of work and hanging out and going to eat and getting my teeth cleaned and all that good stuff. So talk to y'all later. All right, so here's the mirror. Now this big box is in the way. That's why I can't really stand back to show you its full glory. It's 84 inches tall. Look at that. And now I can't just cut this box up because on the inside, I don't know if you can see here, it's plywood. Like, it really came securely packaged. So here I am in the mirror. It's significantly taller than me. See, it goes all the way up there. And there's my head. But I love it. I love it. Yes, I can't wait until I have my floor clear and I can actually, like, take some cute pictures and sit in front of this bad boy and my little Eames chairs, and I don't know. I got the whole summer off. My, none of the classes I need for my graduate program are offered this summer. So that sucks. That's like a whole semester back that I have to do. I wanted to take 4 classes this summer, like really grind them out. But unfortunately, I can't take any. So I'm going to really put that effort towards finishing up these projects that I started in 2020 that I still haven't finished. So yeah, all right. Now I said I'm going to cut to the vlog footage 3 times now. I'm actually going to do it now. So bye y'all. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you so much. Hello. So birthday is over, but I'm still celebrating. One of my childhood besties from 8th grade till today is in town.
I'm fairly sure it was 7th grade though.
It was 8th grade, Mr. Nichols' class. Because I only want to start again. Hi. So birthday is long gone, but I'm still celebrating because one of my childhood besties is in town.
Hello.
Yay, and we are over here eating at, where are we?
925.
Oh, the table says it, 925 Huevos Cubanos. Don't get me to lie about my terrible Spanish. This place is literally on the side of the road. It used to be just a shack, but they've paved it, they've put up an awning. They've done all kinds of stuff, and because of that, the prices have shot up like $10. So it better be good. Hi, can I have a steak sandwich with
Con fries?
Yes.
Y for you, no.
What does the medianoche?
Today now medianoche.
No medianoche. Okay, so done.
I love your jewelry.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's do the...
Medianoche.
Oh, I've been recording this whole time. Didn't even realize.
Mayo, moca y pico.
Mocha?
Moca
Okay. Oh, okay.
y pico. En combo is con fries, con rice and beef o con maduro soufflé y one soda.
Okay. So,
Cuban sandwich es medianoche.
okay. But now I'm thinking croqueta.
Oh, croqueta preparado?
You have that?
Yeah.
See? Okay. That. And can I have maduro?
Yes, honey.
Oh, can we still get some empanadas?
Oh, yeah. Let's get empanadas.
Preparada de beef, espinaca,
Beef
beef. Okay.
and one chicken croqueta.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, one sandwich con fries y one croqueta preparada con fries.
No, I don't want fries. I want rice and beans.
Oh, con rice and beans y con maduro.
Sí.
Y for drink,
Coke.
oh, y for you, mama.
Can I have some water too?
Well, okay, honey. Tengo, de nada, mi amor. Tengo piña.
Piña.
Okay.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right, now.
She's lovely.
Yes, back to it. So, back in Florida. And a cigar box. Pretty cigar box, though.
It's adorable.
Is that where they stick your bill? Probably.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
So yes, it feels really good to be back. I've missed our culture. I've missed the Floridian culture big time. The cultures that I get in the Midwest are Mexican and like different Asian cultures. And people aren't as proud as they are here in South Florida. So I miss like the immigrant experience. I miss the, you know, folks just from different places kind of coming together, but also like just being able to share that with the natives. It's very different here than it is over there. So I miss home.
So I was watching a Kenny JD video, and she had a sponsorship deal with House, and I was like, oh, that sounds interesting. So I ordered the tasting set, and lemon lavender was right on par with Melissa's flavor palette. So I gifted this to her. I haven't tried anything yet, but this is since the airport. She has thoroughly enjoyed it. Not to call you out. So food's here. I forgot to shoot the empanadas and croquetas, which I already tore mine up, but let's say half of hers.
It's the croqueta sandwich, which also has ham and croquettes and
I just got steak with rice and beans. And it is, can you hear the rain pouring down on this little canvas rooftop? We're getting a little mist of it. The temperature has dropped. Like, this is so sexy around here, and I got mad. All right, so I am at the dentist now. I'm ready to get my chompers clean. I'm going to show you up close only because I'm getting ready to get them clean. I've had this weird, like, plaque buildup or tartar, I don't know what it is, since I've been, like, using artificial sweeteners. So Toby's getting ready to get me all together. It's him back there, my favorite hygienist. So if you want to come to Island City Smiles, this is the place to be. Do you want to say hello?
Hi.
Teeth are all clean. Toby says they weren't that bad, but considering how my gums were bleeding, I don't know if that's true. But yeah, look much better, much brighter. And look, the skin's still glowing from that facial. Ooh. It's a pretty girl. I'm trying to make my new appointment. he was ready for the camera to be up.
oh my god.
Oh yeah, I always say I'm gonna vlog and I never do. We have so much fun here. This is a great dentist office. Tonight I'm staying at Grandma's house. She is asleep. I'm ready for bed, and I'm having some bed wine. I ordered some house. I don't know, house or Haas. I don't know. I'm gonna do a proper unboxing because I bought 2 boxes of this stuff. So this one I tore into. I've already given 2 of the flavors away. This is spiced cherry, 20% alcohol. I just had 2 sips of it. It's delicious, and I'm already buzzing. USA, 20% alcohol. Yes. If you're wondering, that's nail glue under my nails. So my nail broke right here, and I'm not getting them done again until Friday. And I didn't want to clip them all because you see the polish is starting to grow off. So I just like poured some nail glue under there. Didn't help. So got my Haas, got my broken nails, I've got my weighted blanket. This thing weighs 30 pounds. It was very expensive and I love it. So I'm gonna drink my bed wine, brush my teeth again since I just got them clean. I got my bed wine, I've got my weighted blanket. I'm gonna snuggle in, but I'm gonna get up and brush my teeth again because since I just got them cleaned, I gotta protect these pearly, not so whites. Dinner of Champions, fat snacks, almond flour crackers, 2 net carbs for 17 crackers, I believe. Yep, 17 crackers. So 2 packages, 2 servings. So 1 package is 4 net carbs, plus this wine is not even almost keto. It's pretty sweet, but it's not like aggressively sweet. So this is dinner. Very healthy. So I am at Topgolf today for a meeting. I love meetings like this where I get to do fun stuff. I'm gonna take some social feed. I'm doing a promotional event. It's a classic me. I gotta do the work before I can actually have some fun. I am gonna play around with my little dress. Is so short. I was trying to be sporty, but I'm tugging on this dress all day. Gotta do some work first. Leaving Topgolf. That was a fun meeting. I was there for about 2 hours. I really miss event work. I gotta get my life back. So now I'm walking down the ramp they have here because I told y'all my stallion knees are gone. And this is the longest ramp. This building. I was about to record a video and this big old Aldi 18-wheeler truck pulled up right as I pulled out my camera to film. So there is this massage parlor that's got a neon sign, open late, and it's tucked off in a plaza next to a gas station near the highway. Am I the only one who thinks there's nefarious things going on in there? Just saying. So I'm back at hot yoga again. Giving it a whirl. Cousin's over here. Say what to the vlog. That's our version of hello. So yeah, we're gonna stretch it out, sweat it out. Already sweating. Got another little Shein set on. Getting moist already. Oh, I'm not gonna have yoga first. I'm all sweaty.